Okay everybody, this video is going to be on how to root your pre. I'm going to try to do it step by step and try to keep it under the time limit for YouTube. Alright, first thing you need to do is go to this website. I'll leave the link on my comment section. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. Alright, once you get here, you need to go ahead and download the developer kit. And it's going to be step by step. For this, you just need to go ahead and register. Once you have that, you'll have this Palm Mojo thing right there. You also need to download VirtualBox, which is right there. That's on this website also. And it will show you the instructions for installing the development kit. Decide if you have it on Windows, Linux, or Mac. I have Windows 64-bit chip. And you just go down. Just make sure you have the latest version of Java, VirtualBox, and just go step by step. It's fairly easy on this part. Okay, this is next part. Alright, this is how to get the NovCom onto your pre and how to set up the SSH file. Okay, you're going to go open up the command prompt. Just type CMD, and it'll bring up command. Okay, from here on out, it's pretty much copy and paste. Highlight it, copy, over here, right click, paste. Okay, you'll see that it had a system error right there. That's because I do not have a 32-bit system. I have a 64-bit system. So I'm going to go ahead and paste again. But this time I'm going to make sure it's in the right folder. I have it in the Program Files x86 folder. And see, it went to that. And it'll show you step by step what it's supposed to look like. Now copy. Open up my thing again. And then paste again. Enter. Now I'm in the root castle. Now it's the same thing, just copy and paste. Now once again, copy, and then paste again. That's going to go through that, and it's just going to show exactly what it says. Now it says type this, copy, and then paste again. Now say it's going to go download all these different programs. Just go ahead and let it do its thing. It's going to take a few minutes. I've already done this once, so I didn't have to wait for the download time. It says everything's already deleted. Now it's asking for a username. So you put in whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and put in test. Then it's going to ask for a password. I'm just going to go ahead and use root. Use the password root. It's going to say either it's not long enough or it's a weak password, whatever you use. I'm just going to go ahead and put root in again. Just go ahead and ignore it. Once you press enter, it'll say the test changed by root. It'll say everything's okay. It's going to go through and make sure everything's complete. Now it's going to say setup complete. Exactly what it says over here, step by step. Now you're going to go ahead and back out of this. Okay, now we're going to go to the putty.exe. If you've already downloaded the SDK, the developer kit, you can just go down here and type in putty. And it'll pop up. and this screen will pop up. Now you need to put in your IP address from your phone. So I have my Palm right here. You're gonna type the click the battery. Go down to your Wi-Fi. Click on your Wi-Fi connection as soon as it pops up. And you're going to click on, or you're going to enter that IP address. So mine's 192.168.1.103. So I'm going to come up here and go ahead and type that in. 192.168.1.103. Yours might be different. That's why we have to show it. And the port number is showing down here. In the port space, type 222. So I'm come up here, type 222. And then open. And then this is the putty. It looks kind of like a command prompt. It's going to say login as. Alright, so you go ahead and type in whatever your username was, which we used test for this video. It's going to ask for the password, which we used root. It's not going to show up as you typed. It's going to stay green. Just know what you typed and go ahead and press enter. And then now see it says I'm in test at Castle. Now you need to get down to the root itself. So you're going to type in SUDO space SU and then the dash. And then press enter. Now it's going to say you're in, do you trust it, blah blah blah. Go ahead and type the password, which the password is root, R-O-O-T, and enter. Now I'm in the root folder. Now once you get here, you can go ahead and do anything that you want to do. You need to update background images, if you want to change up any programs, add text forwarding, anything that I can show in some of the other videos. It also shows it on this web page itself, if you want to see some of the things you can do. And after you root your pre, you go to this website right there. I'll put it in the comment section. And then you can do amongst all these, you can do some of the stuff that's available through Linux. Change the boot themes, background editing. You can edit the camera, mod the camera, that way it has a shutter time, countdown timer, edit the dialer theme, mess with the GPS tracking, enable some of the hidden features, delete the NASCAR app that's so annoying that it won't go away. Change avatars in the messaging app. You can have random wallpapers. These are just some of the things. People are always coming up with new applications and uses. I've also seen emulators for the NES. Just go ahead and mess around with it if you know Linux, or ask around on precentral.net.